guys, good morning. Today is the second day we are here. Katawan. Guys, nagbuhat ni og cruise. Cruise sa among breakfast, then ay extra bread gabi sa among dinner. So,
mix cruise.
Yeah. Yan. Then she said she used like this.
But you not use that one.
Di ko nagamit ani guys because for me it takes time. It takes time guys kung parang ibutang-butang ba dali tapos wala akong gamiton kung magluto og cruise is luwag only. Luwag, ano ba Tagalog sa luwag guys? Sandok. Ayan. So, yan siya guys. Next tahin. What's yesterday Arabic the next tahin? Ajin.
Ajin.
Ay, Ajin. Mas better pa siya mag-Arabic kaysa ako. Ajin. Ayan. Karon guys, 2 days na ko diri sa Ustad. Ajin. And come in. Iji.
Iji.
Oh.
Iji. Yani Jack, Iji yesterday.
Aywa. Guys. Yan yung buhat cruise. Pero ako guys, di ko maggamit anang inana kay burag langanan ko. Yan. Tapos butangan dayon siya og samin. Yan. Kanang butter na siya, guys. Ha? Kalbi. Kalbi. In Arabic.
Kalbi?
Yeah.
Arabic?
Yeah. I mean like kalbi.
Marah. Marah wallah.
It's nice. It's so brown. So guys. Ako guys, pag magluto og cruise, dire lang ipares is honey. But me, sugar.
You put sugar?
Yeah, for me.
For tahin?
For like this. I eat when I eat na. I don't like to put honey.
Okay, you put sugar.
Yeah.
Me, I like honey,
Honey.
but original.
Not
Not answered with the...
in the house I buy star margarine, so if I do it cruise, I put star margarine and sugar. You know star margarine?
Same what?
I don't know later on and I will show you.
Okay.
Masya Allah, Shatra Latifa. Ho. I open. Okay. O, diba?
Just watching my video.
Anak ko ba matabang ko sa yahag buhat sa cross ana siya no, just watch it daw.
Suya, dama lagi.
Yeah, gamay ra gud among ibuhat guys kay nagfasting man ang mama sa kong amo dari. Ayan. Masya Allah, Latifa, Shatra.
Don't make noise now.
Tulog pa mga amo guys. So far, Alisa. Yan. Akong ipare sugar. Yaha is honey. Yan, honey. Uy, so much honey. Sweet honey.
Honey!
Ako guys, sugar akong ipares.
Honey, honey.
Yun, shy. Best. I will have baden if I want. Ayan guys, na sugar. O, diba? Yaha honey na, yaha. Let's eat breakfast. Guys, namid dire sa Mijiles. Yan, malamig pa mahaw. Then, among-amo na mahaw po sila. So, mahuman sila. Magkatumi dito kayo mag-prepare na po sa para lunch. And then, ang akong friend, tara, naghigda-higda. Katulgon ko, guys. Ayan, I feel so sleepy. I don't know. Because I am full. Huh?
If you feel sleepy.
So, yan. 2 days na midari. So, ang akong plansahon sa balay. Huwag labunon dito. Narato. Basin og mamanguli na lamot. Pagkat ko siya.
Hub.
No. Yeah.
Small. It's small than that. Not small. Very small. Kalda. I think in the center. Get that. This new? That's new.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good night.
Magkuha mig cellphone ni mama. Nabilhin dito sa ihang mama. Oh, di ba? Oh my god. It's
Family.
like the family.
Big mama.
Nabilin ang cellphone sa mama ni madam sa ihang mama. Yan, this is it. Yun. This my friend.
Namaste.
What namaste?
In India, namaste means hello.
Hello?